Hello and welcome back. Alright, that's it for reflection. Let me delete it and let's go to the next part, which is hyperlight, which is used for inner space. For example, a room and some stuff like that, but you can use it for under the objects, under the items, under the elements, to see the movement of the light. Well, actually I don't have an object here to show it to you how it works, but if I go to the sun part here and change the location of the sun to show the lights in the room for you, by clicking on this toggle, turn it on or turn it off, it has a little effect on your project, but as you're working it in your system, you can see the effects better. Okay, that's it for this part. Let's get to sketch here. It is so simple. As you can see, whatever changes you're doing here, you can see the result, so it's not complicated and you can work with it very easily. Okay, let's get to the next one. Well, by this option here we have 2-point perspective. When you turn it on, let me go to this part. Yes, click on it. If you turn it on, you can change the amount of 2-point perspective, and maybe it is useful according to your project. You can use it or not, it's your choice. Well, the next part is orthographic view. Yes, which is so cool. When you turn it on, you can see your process which is being completed. As you can see, it's kind of a cutter line. If you move it, your process is being completed. So it's a cool option that you can use it for your rendering and for your project. Well, we have near clip, far clip. One of these two slider is for the front view and the other one is for the back view. We have fill color as well. This toggle, if you turn it on or off, for example, if you turn it on, you can change the color for its background. It's a good thing that you can change the background in Photoshop or even remove it. It's up to you. Well, you're able to see this model from the top view like this, and let me put a number for it, for example 9, and you can change the slider by holding shift button to change it slower, even in a decimal numbers, actually, just like that. See, it goes slower and accurately. Very good. You can change the settings here. As I told you before, you can set this option, this tool, according to your need, according to your project, very well. That's it for this part. It could be so functional for you, maybe. Let's get to the next one, layer visibility. You can handle the layers that exist in your model here. For example, let me show it to you here. Okay, go to this part. You can see these layers, decoration, people, trees, plants, lights 1, 2, daylight, pool light, and etc. just like that. Well, birds and fence, and etc. In this part you can make invisible or visible each layer that you like just by clicking on each layer you want. See here, Maybe, for example, you don't want to see the trees anymore. So just go to its layer and make it invisible by clicking on the layer that it is related to it. So it is for the layer visibility. And that's it for the featured part and conceptual, the next part. Well, we have many effects in all the categories that we have here, but the most useful and functional is in the featured category. For example, in conceptual we have sketch and we had it in featured already, but here this is a new one, outlines. Well, it shows you the outer lines of each object, the transparency and etc. All right, that's it for this part. Let's get to another, which is puzzle sketch. All right, it is a so simple tool. You just need to change the slider to see the result, that what will happen to your model, as you can see. But let me tell you something. Whenever you change the settings of your model and you didn't know what the default was, you just need to delete the settings and open it again. That's it.